If the alarms in your iPhone are silent and not working, then let us see some ways by which we can try to fix the issue. The first thing that you do is tap on the clock icon here, go to alarms. Now tap on the alarm that you have created, and what you do is go to sound, and from here select different tone for the alarm. After that, go back and you can disable this option snooze and then select save. The next thing that you will do is you will again go to settings, go to this option sounds and haptics, and make sure that this ringtone and alert volume is maximum. After that, go down and make sure that this option play haptics in ring mode, play haptics in silent mode, system haptics, they all are enabled. After that, again go to settings, scroll down, go to face ID and passcode, enter the passcode of your iPhone, and if you scroll down, there is an option here, attention aware features. So if it is enabled like this one, then disable this option. This option might decrease the sound of some alert, so the volume of the ringtone might be low. So disable this feature. After that, what you do is go to settings again, go to Bluetooth, and make sure that your device is not connected to any other sound device. If it is connected to Apple Watch, it's okay, but if it is connected to some other sound device, then disconnect. Now the last thing that you can do is you can reset your iPhone. Go to settings here, go to general, go to this option transfer or reset iPhone, go to reset, select this option reset all settings, and you have to enter the passcode of your iPhone, and then if you select this option reset all settings, your phone will reset. Now no data will be deleted, but the password for your Wi-Fi will be removed, so you have to again re-enter the password. So do all of these things, and hopefully next time you will hear the alarm in your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment on the video if you found it helpful.